Hello stalkers, welcome back. Coming week will be very crucial for financial markets, obviously due to the US elections. Looking at the current statistics and reports, there are 50-50 chances. As per the reports and analysis, if at all Trump wins the election, then there are very good chances financial markets will aggressively rally to the upside, especially crypto market. Whereas on the other side, if Kamala wins, then markets will rally but not aggressively and crypto market may have subtle reaction. So as I'm making this video, USA is going through election phase, people are casting their votes, and on 5th we will come to know who is the winner. There is also another important catalyst that will affect the market, that is Fed's decision on the interest rates. If at all Fed again cuts the rates or reduce the rates, then stock market will take a good rally to the upside, as we saw last time when it cut the interest rates by 0.50 basis points. But if at all Fed does not cut any interest rates, it leaves as it is, then there are chances market may react negatively. So let's see, there are two big and important catalysts coming out next week. Markets will be very volatile, so plan your entries and exits accordingly. Let's start analyzing our market. I'm on the monthly chart of Dubai financial market. Yes, October is gone past, so let's analyze how was the monthly closing. And this is the monthly chart. We can see market has been rallying to the upside from the month of June, July, August, September and October. This small candle is November's candle. It's still running, so we cannot analyze this one as of now. But looking at the past candles, we can clearly see market is rallying to the upside. It's in a strong bull trend and there are very good chances of continuation to the upside from here. Look at the trend, we are seeing a strong rally after market took a pause around this area, that is 3,300 points. Market accumulated into this zone and from here it broke to the upside. On the monthly chart, this was a resistance, that is 3,748. It broke past, it came back for a retest. Obviously it was a success, and from here we saw a new leg to the upside. This is bullish because the previous swing high is taken out. This is a bullish price action. A small retracement on the monthly chart and now we are seeing a fresh rally that is looking more stronger. I think market will closely watch US elections. If at all it's in market's favor, then there are very good chances market may even break 4,700 points very soon. Immediate resistance on monthly chart is at 4,658 and then we have 4,699. We can round it off to 4,700 points. So on a monthly chart, DFM market index is looking extremely bullish. Let's go down to weekly. And here we can see market has printed a solid green candle last week. No signs of bears, no selling pressure is seen. Clearly market is in bulls control. Buyers are pushing the market higher. Last closing is at 4,621 points. I think Monday market may wait here, take a pause, wait for the election results, and then maybe a strong move to the upside is expected. Overall on weekly chart too, DFM market is looking very strong, very bullish. Let's go down to daily, and here also we can see in Thursday's session this was a negative candle it printed. From here we were expecting either a sideways momentum or a drop to the downside. This is a picture perfect scenario for the market to push higher. On the daily chart as well, we are not seeing any signs of weakness. Instead, it's looking more stronger with this green candle. There are very good chances market will hit 4,658 coming week. Strong support on daily chart is at 4,555 points and then we have 4,530 points if this does not hold. Strong support is between 4,460 and 4,500 points. These zones are stronger support. Overall, DFM market index is looking very powerful. This is the monthly chart of ADX market index, that is Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange. We are seeing ADX market is bit slow as of now. Let me give you a good explanation. I was waiting for the month end so that I can update you all. Check this out, right from this zone that is around 4,600 points in 2020 in the month of April. From here we saw a strong rally to the upside continuously without any break. Right here at around this zone that is 8,780 points in the month of December 2021, we saw first red candle after going through this huge rally. After this small pause for a month, market again shot up. It came back for a retest at 9,160 and we saw a new high from here till about 10,640 points. So it's quite obvious after this strong bull run, market now needs to adjust itself, it needs to correct itself, and that's the reason we are seeing this zigzag momentum on the monthly chart. Clearly we can see a nice pole and a flag pattern. This is bullish. I hope it breaks to the upside. Right from this zone, if I have to mark my level till about the high, that is till about 10,680 points, and from here if I have to mark my flag pattern right here like this, then we can see market has already broken the resistance and there are very good chances we may see a strong momentum to the upside. It can even break past 10,800 points. So first thing first, on the monthly chart, yes, it's going through a small correction phase, I think, which will break out very soon. On the monthly chart, once market breaks 9,815, then it will be ready for a strong momentum to the upside like we saw previously in 2021. As of now, on the monthly chart, we can see for the last 3 months, market is just going sideways around 9,370 points. Expect a breakout very soon, and then from here market will start its fresh rally to the upside. I'm going down to weekly, and here we can already see, if you're watching my analysis regularly, I have been mentioning market still did not recover completely from the drop. This was the strong drop to the downside. And here on the weekly chart, finally we are seeing some momentum. With last week's candle close, we can see some liquidity coming back into the market. We can see it has crossed the 50% mark of this drop to the downside. This shows strength. This shows at least buyers are now jumping in, and from here there are very good chances it can continue its upside momentum. Strong support on weekly chart for ADX market index stands at 9,245. So on the weekly chart, ADX market index has started to show some momentum. If I go down to daily, and here we can see this was the area of resistance that I have been mentioning in my last videos as well. We can see long wicks at the top indicating they are sellers into this territory. They are not letting the buyers to travel any higher. But look at this candle right into the resistance, that is 9,352. In Friday's session, market tried to break out, it tried to move up, it went up till about 9,364 points. See how beautifully I have marked the zone for you. It's acting as a resistance. Market is not able to go past and close above this level. On the daily chart, we are seeing for the last 1 week it's been printing green candles. I think market will wait for the news or the catalyst to come out so that it can go out in full-fledged. Whether it wants to break to the upside or it wants to come down for a retest, coming week will be the decision day. If you ask about my view, I personally think if at all Trump wins the elections, then there are very good chances stock markets will definitely rally to the upside. Because looking at the historical data, when Trump was in power, he took stock markets as barometer. He used to gauge the economy looking at the stocks and performance of the companies. So definitely he is pro markets, he is pro cryptos. So I'm very excited and I'm looking forward for the US elections. But at the same time, we should take this as an opportunity. We should keep our planning ready. Say for example, if Trump wins, which stocks are you going to buy? Obviously market will rally to the upside, but you should be having your plan. Select your stocks that are looking good, that are bullish, so that if at all Trump wins, you can buy them in big quantities. When market rallies to the upside, you are not left out and you can make good money. It shouldn't be such that Trump wins as per the analysis, as per the reports. We do not have any planning. Market just rallies. We are left out. And then we try to catch the stocks right at the top when the rally is already done. This entry will be obviously out of FOMO, that is fear of missing out. And then when it hits the resistance, it will try and come down for a correction. We will not be able to make any gain out of this move to the upside. We want to catch this rally right at the bottom so that when it goes up, we can keep adding more quantities and make profits. So once again, to summarize, keep your stocks ready, identify the zones where you want to buy and sell. When the market performs accordingly, all you have to do is just pull the triggers. One of the stock that is looking very good for coming week is Dubai Taxi Company, that is DTC. I'm on the daily chart. Previously, we took our entries right into this zone and we had a nice bull run to the upside. I had recommended this stock in my members video as well. By the way, if you are interested to join my YouTube membership with my detailed analysis with my entries and exit, then you may scan the QR code and join my YouTube membership for daily updates. Looking at the last candle, this is looking very positive. There are very good chances it can move aggressively to the upside. Also, financial results are about to be released and I think they will be above expectations. Looking at the support area, that is around 2.80 to 2.83, if at all it comes down into this zone, this should be considered as buying opportunity. If at all it drops to the downside further, then this area, that is 2.70 to 2.73, this is also a strong demand zone. If at all it dips into this zone, it should also be considered as buying opportunity. Now let me go down to 30 minutes time frame. I'm going down to lower time frame, and here we can clearly see in Friday's session we saw very low volumes. This was the high that it made previously. From here it's just going sideways, it's just doing dilly-dally, and this is the area of resistance, that is 2.89. I was just waiting for a breakout in Friday's session so that I can add big quantities and ride the trend to the upside. That did not happen, so I did not pull the triggers. Now there are chances in Monday, that is tomorrow's session, it may open with a gap up breaking the resistance of 2.89. In that scenario, it would be our first indication that yes, there are chances DTC can perform. What I will do is I will take small quantities at the time of opening. If at all it moves upside, then I can add quantities on the way up. In case if it opens with a gap up and it drops down during the day, this would be my opportunity to add another quantities. I will plan my stop loss around 2.83. From here, if it goes in my favor, then definitely I will make good money, because last high or all-time high is at 2.96 and I'm expecting it will make all-time high very soon. In case if it opens with a gap down, that's when it will be confusing. Those who bought into Friday's session will be confused whether to buy or hold it or sell it. I personally, if at all it opens with a gap down, then I will wait for it to come into support area and then I may buy it. Otherwise, I will try and avoid DTC. There are many other stocks that are looking good where we can invest our money. So guys, I hope you understood the plan for DTC. Hit the like button if this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.